Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 5 Monetary Economics. So, monetary economics deals with money and its function, such as medium of exchange, store of value, and units of accounts. Now, we will see the meaning and definitions of money. Money is anything that is generally accepted as a payment for goods and services and repayment of debt, serves as a medium of exchange, is termed as money. Walker defines money as money is what money does. He explains the functions of money. The next definition was given by Crowther. According to him, money can be anything that is generally acceptable as a means of exchange, and at the same time it acts as a measure and store of value. Evolution of money. So here we are going to see how the money has been developed from barter system to cryptocurrency. So let us discuss them one by one. Barter system. Before money was invented, exchange took place by barter, that is, commodities and services were directly exchanged for other commodities and services. Goods like fur, skin, salt, rice, wheat, utensils, weapons were commonly used as money. Exchange of goods and goods were known as barter exchange or barter system. After barter system, metallic standard arose exist. Under metallic standard, gold or silver were used to be determine the standard value of money and currencies. The standard coin made out of metals were fully boiled or fully weighted legal tender, that is, their face value was equal to the metal value. Next, we have the gold standard. So, in this, under gold standard, the standard currency is directly linked with gold. Under silver standard, government allows conversion of its current currencies into fixed amount of silver. Next, we have the paper currency standard. Refers to the paper currency note which is issued by central bank or RBI. The paper currency is not convertible into any metals, so it is also known as managed currency standard. The quantity of money in circulation is controlled by monetary authority, that is RBI, to maintain the price stability in the economy. Next, we have the plastic money. The plastic money is an alternative to cash. So, plastic money comes in many different forms such as cash card, credit card, debit card, prepaid card, and store card. So, they were used for carrying, instead of carrying cash, they are used to make transaction. Cryptocurrency, a digital currency which is encrypt techniques, that is, information is converted into secret codes, they are used to regulate the generations of units of currencies, verify the transfers of fund, operate independently of the central bank. So today we have seen about the money, definitions of money and evolution of money. So next class we will see the functions of money. Thank you, children.